In this video, I'm going to show you how I booked my appointment to renew my driver's license. So you can just type in Google driver's license appointment Trinidad, and the very first website that pops up is usually it. That is the licensingappointment.mowt.gov.tt. So once you get onto this website, the first part that you have to complete is the services, where you select a service. So you're going to select permit transactions. Then you're going to select renewal all classes, and you'll get a pop-up showing you the compulsory documents that you need, which is the proof of address and the completed form, which is form number 4, a form of ID, and if you are 65 years or over, you also need a medical form, right? And of course you need your driver's permit. There's also a stipulation where you cannot renew your driver's permit more than 1 month in advance from the expiry date. So they will also show you the types of proof of address documents that are required, and you have to download and fill out this form. Be sure to read the instructions so that you fill out the form correctly. The second part of the appointment process is choosing your location. So for me, I chose Princestown because I knew that San Fernando would have way too many people and my appointment would be like too far in advance. So if you know that one of the offices would be high traffic, I would opt to go somewhere where there's a bit less people, right? So as you can see, when I chose Princestown, there was already something available only 2 weeks in advance. And after you select the date, then you select the time, and then you submit your information, which is just your driver's permit number and your date of birth, and you click verify. Then they will ask you for more personal information like your name, phone, email address, and date of birth, and then you select book appointment. They will then show you your appointment summary. Then you click continue, which is just a summary of all the details that you would have entered up until this point in the process of booking your appointment. And then you will see a confirmation page, and you will also get this confirmation sent to your email address. Once you have your completed form, your driver's permit, your proof of address, and your confirmation, then you go with all of those documents to your appointment and you renew your driver's permit. It's $500 for the next 5 years, and it's a more or less fairly simple process. They will call you, you'll submit your documents, then you'll wait, then they'll take a picture, then they'll give you the stylus to sign, to create a digital signature so that they will print that on your new driver's permit. And this driver's permit, I believe, has a QR code, so that they have things in a digital database now, I would assume. And last but not least, is if there is a discrepancy with your address, because there was with mine. That's a story for another day. But basically, if there is a discrepancy with your address, in some cases, you will have to pay, I believe it's $35 for like a change in address from what it was previously to what it is now. Mine was like a slight difference, so they just changed it and I didn't have to pay. But if it's a completely different address, then you have to pay to change your address from what it was before to what it is now. And that's basically it. When I went Princestown, it had people, but I still don't think it would have as much people as San Fernando will have. So, take that into consideration. Depending on where you're choosing to renew your license, the cities will have the most people, whereas areas further away from the city would have less people. And that's it. If you want to see more helpful videos on how to apply for things online, you can click one of the videos coming up next, and I'll see you over there.